Michelle, just another quick wig review for you to show you this gorgeous style that I am wearing. This absolute beauty is called Shea and she is by Renau. This is an addition to their Smart Lace human hair styles. Now I absolutely am in love with Shea. I would say this is probably one of my favourites of all time. Now I'll explain why. So first of all, this is 100% Chinese Remy human hair. Chinese Remy human hair, top quality, is my ultimate favourite and I just adore. I have actually washed this when I got it. I did a check wash and I just blasted it dry with my hair dryer. I have not used straighteners on it. I have not used flat irons, any tools, literally just blow dried it straight with my hair dryer. And yeah, look at this hair, it's absolutely stunning. I totally love this. It is a long style, but it's not excessively long, whereby if you find long hair difficult to manage, Shea is one of these wigs that has length to it without being really difficult to work with or whatever. She's just absolutely gorgeous. I am very much in love with this. So while we're talking about lengths, let's tell you about the official lengths of Shea. So with Shea, the front lengths here, we have 11.5 inches of hair at the bang area, 11.5 inches. So you can see that's just ever so slightly shorter than the rest of the hair in this front kind of bang area. I love that. If you're wanting to tie your hair up or anything, these bits will automatically kind of be easy to get down, or they'll fall down, which is really natural, and I just really adore that. So very nice. Now in regard to the crown area, from the crown here we have 18.25 inches of hair from the crown, 18.25. Now the sides, we have 14.25 inches of hair on the sides of this wig, and from the nape we have 13 inches from this nape here. Now it just gives this overall really gorgeous style. Now the shade that I'm wearing is the shaded Mocha, which is 24BT18s8. I adore this shade. It's a kind of bronze, that in between blonde and brunette type shade. It's like really dark blonde / light brown, and really beautiful, and it has a number 8 root on top, which is your kind of medium warm brown root just up here. Now it's not warm as in red, it is natural kind of medium brown, I would say. Really gorgeous. It is a really gorgeous shade. I just adore this. It's very nice. So yes, this is Shea by Renau and she is really beautiful. I absolutely recommend this hair. I love it. This is probably one of my favourite styles that I own right now, and I have so much hair, it's unbelievable. I have human hair from pretty much every one of the main kind of big brands and have multiple styles, multiple colours. The Shea here, this is just really gorgeous. I am so in love with Shea. So this is a really exciting expansion to the Renau human hair collection. And the cap, I forgot to show you the cap. On the inside we have your Smart Lace welded lace front here. We have your welded monofilament, single monofilament top. Now you can style this and it'll look like the hair's growing out your head, so put it in whichever pattern you want, left, right, centre, zigzag, anything. Now it's a fully hand tied cap, so the hairs are all individually tied into this, and it's got a 360-degree stretch section with the Renau caps down this middle part here, just to allow it to kind of fit you comfortably and be really snug on your head. And here's the back. We have the velvet nape with the velcro adjusters here, so that I've tightened mine slightly because it is an average size cap. I'm more of a petite head. But this is just truly beautiful. I mean, the workmanship that's gone into this is incredible. And to be able to wash a wig and literally just blast it with a hairdryer, and this is how it looks, without having to use a ton of styling product, without having to use, you know, flat irons or anything like that, just to be able to blast it with my hairdryer after I've washed it and have it come out like this is so exciting and makes it just so easy to manage. Now I know some people have said they're not fans of, you know, hair that is overly poker straight and they like a bit of a wave, you can obviously use heated tools on this. You can use your tongs or whatever, curling wand, if you want to add some texture and get a bit of a wave or a curl going on. But this is absolutely gorgeous. So this is the Renau Shea in the 24BT18s8 shaded Mocha. I'm so in love. She is absolutely gorgeous. So guys, thanks for tuning in again and take care. Keep sparkling, be beautiful. I will see you all soon with another wig review. Mwah. Bye guys.